Okay, I just did some cayenne pepper while I was downloading the other video, and it started. One. Woo! I'm trying to get to 20. I'm not sure how far I can get. The highest I've gotten, I think, in one sitting is 12, so it's pretty hard to do. And I gotta tell you, the cayenne is a little rough on the sinuses afterwards, so that's two. It's a little burny in the throat too, so. But hey, you gotta suffer for the art, man. I'm becoming Sneezy Sneeze here, the sneeze rap artist. I don't know what that means, but yesterday was kind of interesting. Mother's Day. Down to Yorba Linda and had my mom passed away when I was 17, so and yeah, I'm just saying that because my aunt, basically her sister, is pretty much my surrogate mom. So my cousin came and picked me up, and we went and had lunch, and then we went down and visited her. And she's got a friend from high school, of all places, and she's like in her mid 60s, but a girl from high school that is. They're just kind of hanging out for like a week or whatever. So it was kind of interesting. So we just had dinner and then watched a movie, watched Training Day. My aunt's friend Cindy highly recommended it. My cousin was like all about Training Day, so we watched it, and ironically, both my cousin and Cindy fell asleep for a little bit. My aunt loved it. I liked it, but I wasn't in love with it. I liked Denzel Washington's character, but I thought there was holes in the movie, so I was kind of. I just got a 10,000K. Good luck, dude. But anyways, I thought there was holes in the script in the movie part of it, where just some certain actions that the outside other characters wouldn't have done, and it was just kind of like. And what it does is it pushes the plot, but it's like not viable, not viable real life situations. And I've had people tell me, well, all movies are not viable real life, and it's like, well, you're putting people in these real situations, and sometimes you're adjusting things for storyline to push it, and I get that, but like for instance, there was the first Pirates of the Caribbean. There was a situation where the head guy came back and kind of gave what's his name, Will. What the fuck is his name? Well, anyways, one of the characters, he kind of was like, he gave up, but he was liking the girl, and then at the end, his rival, he kind of bowed down to him. And if you got somebody in a military rank that is digging on a girl, you've got two things. There's a status thing going on. There's no way he's going to bow down to him, even if he loses at the end. And two, it was like it's a Disney movie and a plot to push. I mean, it was a plot point to push storyline, and I was just like, okay, I get it, but to me, it's not believable. But whatever, that's just me. They loved it. Oh my god. Excuse me. That was like a wet snot coming from the back of the throat. Woo. That's 3. So I gotta try to get this because I'm at 4 minutes already, so. It's funny because now when I go into my truck to move it, because I got a lot of dust in there, I've had the truck for a long time, my allergies just go off, and I never bring my phone because it's in the basement. It's like underground parking, not in a basement, but so it's but I usually sneeze between like 2 and 5 times when I go in it. So, ooh, that's a burning cayenne on the back of the throat. sometimes, and the funny thing is my eyes water. So, oh, that would might go. And I'm wondering if you guys actually like, because I did the best of videos, which had a lot more concentrated sneezes, but there was none of the sniffing of the Cayenne, and I think you guys actually like the setup of the sniffing of the Cayenne to get to the sneezes, but I am not sure. That is pure speculation on my part. No one has said anything, but I think you guys do. Maybe I'll do like 6 or 8 in a row after I gotta tell you, my eyes are watering right now, that's for sure. And I am at 5:55, it's almost 6 minutes, so I've only got 2. So I don't know if I'm gonna get to 20. That's a large thing to try to get to, is 20. Oh, man. Oh my God. Somebody said that I could get to 100. I don't know if I could actually do that. That might be a compilation of a bunch of them, but 100 in one sitting has got to be. I don't know if that's doable. I'm not sure. Do it like that. Hey, I am all right. One play some football later. Cayenne kind of starts to give me a McConaughey because it's a little spicy. Hey. My eyes are really watering in the back of my, especially my left nostril, and the sinus is going wow. So, but I'm not getting any sneezes. I don't know why. You know what's really interesting too is yesterday I did 2 videos at that Hanano's, and one I was outside, and I don't know if I stepped in or not because it's almost a 15-minute video, but I got a copyright thing on it that they basically did a tracker, and part of the song it's the first time I've ever had a copyright issue where they demonetized it, or I have to share my monetization with the holder of the copyright. And it can't be more than like 10 seconds or 15 seconds that the song got put in there, but you have to share it. And the video before that, we were in there and there was music playing, and I don't know if it was just because I was talking and the music was in the back, so it was only grabbing that, and because I can hear it, but for some reason that nothing happened to that one. So I don't know. This whole YouTube thing is. I don't know, it's a lot of work, and I don't know if this is actually fruitful, so to speak. So it's like, I've only done 2 sneezes and about fucking 80 of these fucking, oh, dude. And a lot of people are jumping over to this thing called Pantheon, that are older YouTubers. Okay. It's only 3. Okay. Four. Oh my God. I gotta wipe my eyes on this. This is bad. Woo. Oh. So, and also too, I think I told you guys on one of the other videos, I tried to go into, there's a place called, and I'm going to lay it out now because they blocked me, and it kind of irks me a little bit, because they say in order to post or to do things that you need to register. So I went to register, and then they send you an email, and I went to validate it, and it said there was like a 404 error, so I went to re-sign up again and then validate that one, and then it denied me, and it literally locked me out. I can't even go on my phone to the site and even look at the forum area. And they made mention where they were like worried about gawkers and stuff like that. I wasn't going to gawk. I was going to post videos so I could get people to basically check out the views and stuff. That's all I was doing. but it's called Sneeze Fetish Forum, and they have a whole bunch of different areas and a bunch of sneeze fetishists, and that's cool. I get it. But I don't know why you're literally. I would be locked out for just trying to come in. I mean, if I post and it had been flagged or something like that, or posted and it was an issue, I could get it. But it literally says I'm not allowed to view the site, and if I go into the site, that page just comes up. I can do it from my laptop and view parts of the forum, but just weird. So it seems like there's a lot more niche fetishist areas that are out there. Like I know foot fetish. I know the fart fetish stuff is becoming like or it has, what they call it, Brazilian fart porn. I was like, oh, on that. And this I didn't even know was a category. But it's interesting because it's, I guess, bigger than I initially thought. So I'm at 11. Oh, dude. Woo! That one shook my whole body. And I tried doing the eyes challenge, but it's like I think your eyes come real close to closing, but it's like I did 10 yesterday, but oh wow. Okay. Wow, that was a little wet. Whew. Wow. I lost count, so. I think it's somewhere in the. Okay, I'm not getting another one. But the eyes are going again. That's amazing. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. That's like. Whoa. Oh, and it burns. Yeah. Whew. Wow. So I don't think I'm going to actually get to 20, but I think I'm going to count these over and then put that as as long as they're over 10 or 12 or something like that. So. Whoa. Oh, man. You know what I'd like to do is I'm going to try to post maybe the next one and see if I can get as many comments as possible so I can do a read your comment thing. So maybe I'll do it off the sneeze stuff, but that sounds like kind of a fun, different thing to do, which I haven't done before, and it's kind of a shout out, but it's kind of not. So that's what I think I'm going to do in the next video is basically try to do. Okay. Ah, man, it's like right there, and then it's not going. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to get on this, and then I'm going to try to do something different. Maybe I'll do a second one. I don't know. I'm going to see what happens. The day is young. It's only noon. So anyways, signing off on this, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.